Hi fellow cyclists, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your tension springs on your V-brakes. As you can see on these ones, one side pulls and the other one doesn't. And all this is down to is the tension screws right here on the levers that need to be set up so they are doing an equal job. So on this one you can see the left one is pulling a bit and the right one is pulling a little bit, but they're not really, they're a bit loose. They're a bit loose up here in the cable still and a bit loose down here. So what we need to do is put some spring tension in. So all we have to do with a little screwdriver is to screw them in, and that's pushing the tension down on the spring. And you can see the levers pulling out slightly, and you can see now it's much more responsive, but one side is still pulling a bit more than the other one. Now these are almost like a good marriage. If one's doing too much talking, the other one doesn't get a chance to. So let me just tension this one down as well. Just screwing this one down. And now if we look, we should see they're getting closer. This one, screw it in a bit more. And now you can see they're getting closer still. Bit more tension on this one. And there you go. Actually, this one needs a bit more. There you go. Both working better. Cable's not now coming out, and they're pulling back on the springs much better than they were. We've got a nice pair of V-brakes now working. Thanks for watching Absolute Beginner Cycling. If you'd like to find out more about brakes, leave a message in the comments below. If you'd like help or want to see a video about something else, then also leave a message in the comments below and I'll see what I can do.